we keep America running. We're all guys out just trying to make an honest living, fixing things that break, building things. I'm Chris Mommens. This is Mommens Heating and Cooling. We're here in Mexico, Missouri. Basically, our primary focus is residential heating and cooling work. So anything for your house, whether it's a geothermal unit, old school floor furnaces, wall furnaces, anything like that. There's a wide berth of equipment out there that we take care of. We do custom sheet metal work, any kind of ducting that's needed for a house, we take care of it all. Early on, we had just a regular pickup with kind of a utility topper on it. That was kind of a difficult thing because air conditioners are big. It wasn't really tall enough to be able to load an air conditioner in the back, so we needed something a little more open. That transitioned to a open bed service body with a lift gate on it, so you could load the air conditioners in the back. And then after a while, I think Knapheide probably came around. There used to be a rep that would come around and just knock on our door and hey, what can we do to help you out? I think at that point they had the KUV, and I think it was kind of just a natural, well, let's give it a try. We know the quality's there, we know they're going to take care of us. So it was, let's try it and see how we can make that work into our business, and we just fell in love with it.
Each bed has its own what goes in it, and the organization that we're able to have in them with everything we need with PVC fittings and electrical fittings and copper fittings, and then having all the refrigerant and everything that we need all in one van is really nice.
You know where everything's at. You open up the bin, the parts are right there. You're not searching around, walking from bin to bin, or rummaging through a box in the middle of a bed of a truck looking for parts, so it keeps us more efficient throughout the day. So when I first came to Mommens, I had a box fan, and I had that for a few years, and then they started getting into the Knapheide KUV vans. And since transitioning to those, it's been a lot nicer because I have bins to keep everything organized in, where with that big box van, at the end of the week, it was a disaster.
After having worked out of different utility beds and just even a straight van, I don't see us going without the KUV bodies, because with the change in technology, there's going to be more and more things that we have to carry with us, more and more diagnostic tools, more and more service parts. So having that extra storage in the side bins, being able to customize what happens in the back for storage as well, I think that's going to be a must-have for us in the future.